Sila yung pumirma ng conference by CAM report na siyang naging basihan ng enrolled bill, which was duly certified as correct by the Secretary General of the House and the Secretary of the Senate and signed by the Speaker of the House and the Senate President. Kaya ngayon, pagka nangyari na yun at that is the proof na niratify na yung output ng Bicameral Conference Committee. Kaya nga nagkaroon na nung enrolled bill. But still and all, the question persists na kung ganun pala at may mga blanco, ano nangyari at nagkaroon ng kumpleto na enrolled bill?